Hello, I'm Washboardjim, the founder of the Sneaky Snake trading strategy. I wanted to show something that I've been crystallizing on for about past 3 years now. It's called the Sneaky Snake trading strategy, where I talk chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. So I've been calling the bottom out here for this week. I used the IWM for a chart to show you how at a technical level was real strong for a support level, bouncing off of a head and shoulders with the right shoulder line. Yesterday was not a good day for me because I was really bullish and the market was bearish. And I have a sense when I have a real bad day or my judgment's off, that kind of gets me out of my complacency, and I'm able to have a great day the next day, usually 5 or 6 fold, sometimes 3, but man, there's been many times where it's been 5 or 6 fold like today. So I'm going to talk about a pattern that is just killer, and I'd ask you to copy and paste it, stick it up on your wall. Have a little more patience when you're trading. Wait for the setups. You got to wait for the setups. If you're having a hard time trading, wait for the setup. Don't try to scalp. Don't try to do nothing. Just learn how to look for setups using chart patterns, moving averages, candlesticks, and being in the now, and not being a homosexual or a transsexual. So this is my daily setup. I've got Squawk on or CNBC, and you hear me battle with them all day long. And I take trades off their foul calls, and sometimes they're good calls. Depends if we're at support. I'm a knife catcher. So, snake, breakout, pullback, boom. That's called a W pattern. Now I'm going to show you something here that I don't get to see very often out of a snake. When you're doing a snake is all a snake is a continuation sell-off until you find a support. And that support happens once you break out of the channel. Me as an experienced trader, I might take the trade, but I'm going to be looking at the candlesticks that leave that channel to get me in the trade. A lot of cases I like to wait for it to break out and pull back and hit that resistance line on that channel. But in this case, we had a continuation breakout. We had a pullback. Now this is on a 5-day, 5-minute time frame. They're in 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. We got the snake, breakout, pullback, double bottom, which is a buy signal. Would I have took that trade there? Probably. We had a tweezer bottom, so I know I would have took that trade. Then woke up the next morning, have a double bottom. So that turned into a triple bottom. So that's the flag you're looking for to get into this trade. So you wait the next morning, you know you're bullish, you've got the snake, the breakout, and the pullback. All you got now left is the boom. I know many traders that call this a W. It's shaped just like a W. I can name it. Zach Morris trades this here pattern. I know a couple other people that trade this pattern. I call it a triple bottom. Triple bottoms are a strong reversal pattern up to the top of the snake and out of the trade, or even out of the triple top, or a continuation. If you felt good that you're above the 200 SMA, bounce 3 times off the 200 SMA, everything's in 3. If you can count to 3, it's so simple. If you can count to 3, you can learn to trade with me. And if you count to 4, you just might make a little bit more. So we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Snake, breakout, pullback, triple bottom, boom. And that's it. The easiest trading strategy in the whole wide world. This weekend I said, I made this strategy for dummies because I am a dummy. I can't even hardly spell. I went from a high school dropout to get my GE to go into college to improve my life. The harder I work at anything, the better I get. So take some time out, learn chart patterns, and I wish you the best in life. Have a great day.